Let's get your devices connected to your T-Mobile home internet gateway. You have two main options: Ethernet wired and Wi-Fi wireless. For Ethernet, simply plug an Ethernet cable from your device, like a computer or smart TV, into one of the gateway's LAN ports. It should connect automatically using DHCP. Ethernet offers a stable, high-speed connection. For Wi-Fi on your device, find your T-Mobile network name, SSID. It's usually T-Mobile XXXX in the Wi-Fi settings. Enter the password. It's on the gateway's label or in the T-Mobile Internet app. The gateway supports dual-band Wi-Fi for good range and speed. Tip: use the app to set up a guest network if you'd like. Now, let's talk about security using MAC filters. A MAC address is a unique hardware identifier for each device. MAC filtering lets you create a whitelist of trusted devices that are allowed to connect. To set it up, go to the gateway's admin panel, usually through the T-Mobile Internet app, or by typing 192.168.0.1 in your web browser. Find the Security section and then MAC filtering. You'll need to enter the MAC address of each device you want to allow. You can find the MAC address in your device's network settings. For example, on Windows, use the command ipconfigs_all. Remember, while MAC filtering is a good first step, it's not foolproof. Consider using it with other security measures like strong passwords and a VPN for extra protection.